Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add photo album effect in CapCut PC. So you can select your videos or just photos that you like to edit. For example, I'm going to add some images to the track. I'm just going to effect and select video effect, select retro, and you can find the photo album too. So this is the new pro effect from CapCut. Yeah, this is Pro Effect. You have to join Progress to be able to use this effect. So just add to the track and you can adjust for the duration and the same length of the video. And you can see for the final result like this. And you can combine with another effect and a transition, for example. Select transition, select clear, lights all the clear. See the final effect. That's it. So basically, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.